Hi guys, happy 2021. Yep, it's snowing here. So, a little short video guys. I hope everyone's doing fine and taking care. Happy 2021. I hope this month's gonna be a really nice month guys, and a really nice happy year. So take care. Thumbs up, like the video, subscribe please guys. I'm gonna get out tomorrow and I'm going to go for a walk. Well, I thought I'd come to the shop and I'd beat the snow, and what happens? Starts to snow. So guys, take care, God bless. Short video, yeah, from the snowman. Take care, God bless. Thumbs up. Yeah, I didn't expect it to snow, to be honest guys, but that's what we've got. A load of snow. Take care, God bless.